Hi, I'm Mike Crosby, Service Manager here at Windsor Mazda. You just got your 2021 Mazda CX-5 and you want to know how to take care of it. We're here to help you navigate all the steps. Scheduled maintenance is fairly simple. First, your oil change and tire rotation services are the most basic and common. You should be performing them every 6 months or 8,000 kilometers. Secondly is your brake maintenance service. Your vehicle's brakes should be serviced annually or every 24K. Dirt, dust, debris can get lodged and stuck in your calipers and brake parts and cause abnormal brake wear and premature wear if not cared for properly. Your battery should also be checked regularly. We inspect your vehicle's battery condition every service and provide detailed feedback on its charge and condition status. If you're concerned about where you are on the schedule, you can always call, email, or come in and check and verify what has already been performed or what is coming due next on your vehicle's scheduled maintenance requirements. Now for a quick note. What do I do when I hit a pothole? If you hit a smaller pothole and feel uneasy, as most of us do, pull over when it's safe to do so and perform a quick visual inspection of your vehicle's wheels and tires. For deeper potholes, the ones that you really feel, pull off to the side of the road and into a parking lot and check your vehicle over thoroughly. Ensure you check your tires thoroughly for any bulges, cuts, or gashes, and check your wheel to ensure that there is no visible damage to the finish. Bends can be difficult to see, especially if they're hidden on the inside of the wheel. Some ask whether or not warning lights can be ignored. The short answer is it depends on the warning light. For many, like windshield wiper fluid, you can top it off yourself, and this will extinguish the warning light. For something like a tire pressure warning, you should definitely check sooner rather than later. Depending on the light, such as brake warning, oil level, coolant, or check engine light, the warning should be not heeded and definitely inspected rather quickly. Now, if you have any questions, call, email our service department, or visit us to get more information or to schedule a service consultation. Thank you so much for your continued support and trust. Thanks and have a great day.